The King Alfred School is at the heart of the revival of classical Christian education in Great Britain. Not only have we transformed the lives of the students at our own school over the last 4 years, but we have inspired other schools to start up from across the country.
We still need to raise £200,000 in a very short space of time to ensure that we can complete on this purchase by the end of July. This will ensure that we can carry on our school and welcome new students in for September 2025.
I believe Britain is in need of a revival of classical education. That is why I have guaranteed this property with my own home. We've created a platform where like-minded families can come together and make classical education available from people regardless of their background.
Every pound that you give secures our future and the future of classical Christian education in the UK. Help us finish what we have started. Please give generously today.